Most people walk into the gym believing more movement means more strength, more reps, more sweat, more exhaustion. You push to failure and walk out destroyed, thinking that means progress. But sometimes that grind is exactly why you are stuck. Your body is just surviving the workout instead of building real strength. True strength is controlling force. Look at people who depend on real strength. Ancient warriors carrying armor, Olympic athletes under pressure, special forces and firefighters facing extreme conditions. They do not rely on endless sloppy reps. They train the ability to hold force under pressure. When movement stops and tension stays, your body learns stability, power, and control. This is where isometric training comes in. No complex equipment, no complicated program, just controlled tension and discipline. Physical therapists use it to rebuild joints, and powerlifters use it when progress stalls. 5 static holds, 10 minutes, 3 times a week, can build strength, improve posture, and change how your body moves and performs daily.
All right, first exercise, the wall sit. This one looks simple, but do not let that fool you. Slide your back against a wall and drop down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, like you are sitting on an invisible chair. Now here is the difference between this and a normal squat. When you do squats, you get a tiny break at the top of every rep. Blood flows back in your muscles, reset, and you get a quick moment of relief. With a wall sit, there is no vacation coming. Your legs stay under tension the entire time, and every muscle fiber has to stay awake. Keep your back flat against the wall and your knees around 90 degrees. Push your weight through your heels, not your toes. That shift lights up your glutes, hamstrings, and quads at the same time. Start with 20 seconds and build up to 60. Do 3 sets and watch your legs develop real staying power.
Now let us talk about the plank. This exercise has a reputation in the gym. Everyone thinks they are good at it until you actually look at their form. You see hips sagging toward the floor, backs curved like a question mark, neck hanging down, shoulders creeping up to the ears. At that point, it is not a plank anymore. It is just a tired person lying there, hoping the timer ends soon. Here is the truth most people miss. The plank is not just a core exercise. It is a full body stability test. When done correctly, your shoulders, core, glutes, and legs are all working together like a single unit. That is why it's so powerful. Set your elbows directly under your shoulders. Now brace your core like someone is about to punch you in the stomach. Squeeze your glutes hard and keep your body in one straight line from head to heels. No sagging, no mountain peaks. Start with 30 seconds of perfect form. Not sloppy survival mode, perfect control. Once that feels solid, push toward 45 or 60 seconds. Want to level up? Try a side plank or lift one leg and watch your entire body fight to stay stable.
Now let us talk about the Superman hold. Modern life has quietly turned a lot of people into professional slouchers. We sit for hours, stare at phones, lean over keyboards, and before long, our posture starts looking like we are permanently folding forward. The Superman hold works like an antidote to that problem. It trains the entire posterior chain, the muscles along the back of your body that keep you upright and strong. Lie face down on the floor with your arms stretched straight in front of you. Now slowly lift your arms, your chest, and your legs a few inches off the ground. Your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings should all fire together. Imagine your body forming a tight bow pulling from both ends. The key is control, not height. You do not need to lift high, just enough to create tension through the entire backside of your body. Hold the position for about 20 seconds. Rest, then repeat for 3 total sets. Your posture will thank you. Now let us talk about the push-up hold. Drop into a push-up position and lower yourself halfway down, not all the way to the floor, right in the middle of the movement. Then stop. Freeze right there. This position is where most people fail during push-ups. It is the sticking point where your chest, shoulders, and triceps have to work the hardest. Normally, people rush through this part with momentum, but when you hold the position, your muscles have no escape. Every fiber in your chest, shoulders, and triceps has to stay engaged. No bouncing, no locking out, just pure tension. Start with 15 seconds. It will feel longer than you expect. As your strength improves, build up to 30 seconds. Do 3 sets with good control. After a few weeks, you will notice something interesting. Regular push-ups start feeling easier because you have strengthened the hardest part of the movement. Now let us move to the pull-up hold. Grab a pull-up bar and pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. Then stop right there and hold the position. No swinging, no kicking, just stay locked in place. This hold targets the muscles that make pull-ups powerful. Your grip has to stay tight on the bar. Your lats fire to keep your body lifted. Your biceps and upper back work together to hold you steady against gravity. If you are strong enough to get your chin above the bar, hold that top position. Keep your chest up and your shoulders tight. Try to stay there for a few seconds while your muscles fight to keep you from dropping. If you cannot pull yourself up yet, start with a dead hang. Simply grab the bar and hold your body weight. Another option is to step on a box, jump to the top position, then hold yourself there. Start with 3 to 10 seconds and slowly work toward 10 to 20 seconds. Do 3 or 4 sets. Over time, your grip gets stronger and your pull-ups become much easier.
Here is the full routine. Wall sit, 3 sets, 30 to 60 seconds. Plank, 3 sets, 30 to 60 seconds. Superman hold, 3 sets, 20 to 30 seconds. Push-up hold, 3 sets, 15 to 30 seconds. Pull-up hold, 3 sets, 10 to 30 seconds. Train 3 times per week. Each session takes about 20 to 25 minutes total.
Stick with this routine and you will feel the difference fast. In 2 weeks, your posture improves. In 4 weeks, your body feels stronger during everyday tasks. In 8 weeks, you see real physical change. 5 static holds train your entire body. No equipment, short sessions. Real strength is not only movement, it is the power to hold tension when your body wants to quit.